Hello students, in the previous video we had started studying classification of hydrocarbons. We have learned that hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two categories: open chain compounds, closed chain compounds. Open chain compounds are also called as acyclic or aliphatic hydrocarbons. Closed chain compounds are called as cyclic compounds, wherein you will find closed chain, a cyclic closed enclosed chain of carbon atoms. Here you will find open chain of carbon atoms. Now, aliphatic hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two categories: saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are those where you will find carbon-carbon single bond throughout. Such compounds are called as alkanes. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Unsaturated hydrocarbons may contain carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. The ones which contain carbon-carbon double bond are called alkenes. They should contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond. And these compounds contain at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. They are called as alkynes. Alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. We have also learned how to define each one of these. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons, saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. Alkenes are unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond. And alkynes are unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond. Is it okay? Now we are going to proceed with the remaining part of classification. Now, cyclic compounds are classified into two broad categories: aromatic and alicyclic. Aromatic and alicyclic. Aromatic compounds. In earlier days, aromatic compounds were defined as those compounds which have got good aroma. Nowadays, the definition of aromatic compounds, aroma means fragrance. Okay. Nowadays, the definition of aromatic compounds has been completely changed. We define aromatic compounds based on their physical properties and some structural properties that they show. Some properties in their structure that they show. Okay, now we will not go into the details of aromatic compound, but we will be learning one important aromatic compound in the classification itself. Okay. Now this alicyclic, which are cyclic hydrocarbons, are further classified into two categories: homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic and heterocyclic. Okay, homocyclic alicyclic hydrocarbons are the ones. Homo means here means only one type of atom, that is carbon atom in the ring. Homocyclic means only one type of atom in the ring. So in the ring is made up of carbon atoms. Okay, heterocyclic may, remember hetero word, we have learned some hetero atoms like sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and halogen. So one of these hetero atoms is a part of the ring. For example, oxygen can be a part of the ring. Okay, homocyclic and heterocyclic. Remember, as we had learned single bonded compound, double bonded compound, triple bonded compound, you will also find single bonded and doubly bonded compound in cyclic compounds as well. But here we are not considering singly bonded, doubly bonded, triply bonded compounds in cyclic category. We will be studying broad classification of cyclic compounds. Okay, इसका मतलब ये है कि alicyclic या homocyclic में भी you will find single bond throughout amongst the carbon atoms, or somewhere you will also find double bond. Okay, that is okay. But here we will focus only on singly bonded cyclic compounds. Okay. Now aromatic aromatic hydrocarbons are broadly classified into, I'll simply rub this part a bit. I'll write it here. Here we had alkenes and alkynes. Carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, I'm not writing the general formula. Aromatic hydrocarbons are classified into three categories. The first one is benzenoid. Benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. Now this word benzenoid has been derived from the word benzene. Now benzene was the first compound which was labeled as aromatic compound. Okay, or it is the most widely used aromatic compound. Benzene. Benzene has got such kind of a structure wherein there are alternate double bond and single bond. Alternate, देखो एक single bond double bond, single bond double bond, single bond double bond. Okay, and every carbon atom is bonded to one hydrogen atom. Every carbon atom has to form 4 bonds. तो यहाँ पर ये carbon atom देखो 1, 2 and 3 bonds are in the ring only. The 4th bond is with hydrogen atom. Okay, so the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Since I don't have space on the board, I am writing it in between. So benzene is C6H6. If any of the cyclic compounds contain such benzene ring, then the compounds are called as benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. What are they called? Benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. So previously in earlier days, it was found that, or it was declared that only compounds containing benzene, that is benzenoid hydrocarbons, can only be aromatic. But nowadays that definition is also ruled out. So there are several evolutions in the definition of aromatic compounds. Benzenoid. The other one is non-benzenoid. The name itself states that these are aromatic compounds, but they will not contain benzene ring. They will not contain benzene ring. Okay, so remember benzene is one of the very important examples of aromatic compound. So benzene comes under, and all those aromatic compounds which basically contain this benzene ring in their structure are called as benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. The ones which don't contain benzene ring in their structure but they are still aromatic due to their properties are called as non-benzenoid. They are called as non-benzenoid. Okay, but both of these will contain carbon atoms in their ring. Both of these will contain carbon atoms in their ring. The third category is heterocyclic aromatic compound. What is it? Heterocyclic. As we had studied the same category here, heterocyclic means the compounds will be cyclic. The compound will be cyclic compound, but it will contain a heteroatom in the ring. It is aromatic. It will contain a heteroatom in the ring. Okay, it will contain a heteroatom. Since there is a heteroatom, it will certainly be non-benzenoid. Benzene में कार्बन एटम ही होता है. कार्बन के अलावा दूसरा कोई एटम है तो वो हेटेरोएटम, heterocyclic. Is it okay? So these are the broad classifications of hydrocarbons. There are several other modes of classification. अगर तुम लोग गूगल करोगे तो तुमको ढेर सारे क्लासिफिकेशन चार्ट्स मिलेंगे. ये बेसिक क्लासिफिकेशन, ठीक है. Hydrocarbons are classified into aliphatic and cyclic compounds. Aliphatic and cyclic compounds. Okay. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are further classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons are called as alkanes. Unsaturated ones can be alkenes or alkynes. Further, cyclic compounds are broadly classified into aromatic and alicyclic. Alicyclic hydrocarbons are classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic means only carbon atoms in the ring. Heterocyclic means you will also have some heteroatom as a part of the ring. Some heteroatom. For example, here we have taken oxygen as a part of the ring. Okay. Aromatic hydrocarbons are classified as benzenoid. This word has been derived from the name benzene, the name of this compound. whose formula is C6H6. It contains 6 carbon atoms. It contains a hexagonal rings of 6 carbon atoms with alternate double and single bond between the carbon atoms, and each carbon atom is bonded to one hydrogen atom. So C6H6. This is benzene. So aromatic hydrocarbons which contain benzene ring in their structure, this is called as benzene ring, are called as benzenoid aromatic hydrocarbons. The ones which are aromatic but they don't contain benzene ring in their structure are called as non-benzenoid. Now these two categories will contain carbon atoms in the ring. The ones which contain any one of the heteroatoms in the ring are called as heterocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Okay, so they will contain one of the heteroatoms. Heteroatoms कौन से हैं? Sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen and halogens. Okay. Is this thing clear? I hope this entire classification is very clear to you. Okay. Try to define each one of this on your own using the classification chart. You have to just climb the steps like this. Alkanes है तो saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon. Saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon containing carbon single bond. Alkynes है तो unsaturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon triple bond. These definitions are very, very, very important. Definitions from these chapters are asked in your final exam. So please remember this classification chart properly. Remember the structure of benzene very well. Okay, keep studying. I'll see you in the next video.